students, how are you? I hope all of you are happy, healthy and safe. So dear students, as you can see, today in this video we are going to study your English language first chapter, that is the sentence. Okay dear student, in this video we will learn the definition of sentence and its types. Okay, so dear, without wasting our time, let's see what is the definition of a sentence. Okay, so dear student, as you can see, I have mentioned here the definition of the sentence. Sentence is a systematic arrangement of words that makes a complete sense. Is that clear, students? Okay, I mean to say sentence is a systematic arrangement of words that makes its complete sense, idea or meaning. Okay, in other words we can say when we put a group of words in a systematic arrangement. When we put a group of words in a systematic arrangement, then thus group of words gives some meaning, okay, and that group of words is called sentence. Okay dear, so you can see the example I have mentioned here. These houses are made of stone. So dear, you can see I have used here a lots of words. These houses are made of stone. So these are the systematic arrangements of words. I have managed the words in a proper sequence, in a proper way. So the sentence gives a particular meaning. So that is why this is a sentence. Okay, we can say this is a sentence. Let's see one more example. Does the sun rises in the east? So here you can see I have used a lots of words. Does the sun rises in the east? Okay, these all words have been arranged in a proper sequence, in a systematic arrangement. So the sentence makes its complete sense. So this is also a sentence. Let's example. How beautiful the flowers are. So dear, you can see I have used a lots of words like how beautiful the flowers and are. These all are the group of words, and these all words have been arranged in a proper sequence. That is why the group of words convey its meaning here. So we can say this is also a sentence. So dear, I hope you have got the definition of sentence and the examples of sentences. Okay? So dear, now the next thing is types of sentences. Types of sentences. So student, you can see we can classify a sentence, we can divide a sentence on the two bases. On how many bases? On the two bases. The first one on the basis of function. We categorize sentence on the basis of its function, and the second one on the basis of structure. Is that clear? We divided sentence on two bases. Okay? The first one on the basis of function, and the second one on the basis of structures. Okay dear? So I hope you have learned these all points that I have discussed with you. So dear friends, I will give you 2 minutes to note down these all points. You can pause the video and you can note these all points. Okay? So I give you 5 minutes to note down. Okay? Okay students, so I hope you have noted down all the points that I have shared with you. Now see the further concept. So dear, I have told you that types of sentences. So I have told you sentences are divided on the two bases. The first one on the basis of the function and the second one on the basis of the structure. So dear, when we divided a sentence on the basis of function, then we can say sentences are of 5 types on the basis of function. Okay, sentences are of 5 types on the basis of function. Which are the 5 types? The first one, declarative or assertive sentence. Okay dear? And the second one, interrogative sentence. And the third one, imperative sentence. And the fourth one, exclamatory sentence. Okay, and the last one, objective sentence. Okay dear? So I hope you have got these 5 points very well. These 5 sentences, okay, these are the types of sentences on the basis of function. Okay, so whenever anyone asks to you how many types of a sentence on the basis of function, so we can say sentences are of 5 types on the basis of its function. So these are the 5 types. Once again I am repeating, sentences are of 5 types on the basis of function. The first one, declarative or assertive sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. Fourth one, exclamatory sentence. And the fifth one, objective sentence. Okay dear? So I hope you have got these all points very well. Now see, types of sentences on the basis of structure. Okay? Now see, types of sentences on the basis of structure. So dear, we can say okay, so we have learned sentences are the 5 types on the basis of function. Now see the types of sentences on the basis of structure. So dear student, we can say sentences are of 3 types on the basis of structure. Okay? The first one, simple sentence. The second one, compound sentence. And the third one, complex sentence. Okay dear? if someone asks to you how many types of sentence on the basis of structure, so what will be your answer? Tell me. Yes, your answer will be that sentences are of 3 types on the basis of structure. Okay, what are those 3 sentences? So you can see here, the first one simple sentence, second one compound sentence, and the third one complex sentence. Is that clear? So these 3 are the sentences that are divided on the basis of structure. Okay dear? So dear students, I hope you have got these all points very well about the types of sentence. Okay? So dear, again I give you 2 minutes to note down these all points that I have mentioned on the board. Okay? Just pause the video and note these all points in your fair copy. Okay? Okay dear? So you have learned types of sentences on the basis of structure and on the basis of function. Okay? Now dear, we will learn one by one these all sentences. So very first, we will learn the types of sentences on the basis of function. So the first one, declarative or assertive sentence. So let's see what is declarative or assertive sentence. So dear student, we can say a sentence that gives information or asserts a statement, asserts a statement is called declarative or assertive sentence. Is called declarative or assertive sentence. Okay? So is it clear? If someone asks to you what is declarative or assertive sentence, so we can say a sentence that gives information or asserts a statement is called declarative or assertive sentence. Okay dear? Okay? Now see, you have to remember one point here. The information or statement may be either positive or negative. Is that clear? The information or statement that declarative sentence here, that statement, that information may be either positive or negative. Okay? So we can say that declarative sentence may be either affirmative negative. Is that clear? So you have to mind these 2 points about the assertive sentence. Okay, declarative or assertive sentence may be either affirmative or negative. Okay, let's see example. And dear students, one more thing you have to remember before examples. Just remember point number 3. We use full stop. Okay? Use full stop at the end of declarative sentence. At the end of declarative sentence. Okay, dear? So remember this point, we use full stop at the end of declarative sentence. Okay? Now see example. I know you very well. Okay, dear? So this is a positive information. This is a positive information. So this is a assertive sentence. But what category of assertive sentence? That is affirmative. So we can say this is a affirmative. That is the positive or affirmative sentence. Let's see one more example. She does not know me. So dear student, this is also information, this is also a statement, but this is a negative statement. So we can say this is a negative sentence. This is a negative sentence. Okay, dear? So I hope you have got these all points about the declarative sentence or assertive sentence. Okay, first one, declarative sentence always give or share information or statement, and that statement, okay, that information may be either positive or negative. So on that basis we can say declarative sentences can be, okay, either affirmative or negative. You can see that examples I have mentioned here. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have got declarative sentence very well. If you have any doubt, you can contact me, you can ask me. So till then, watch the video, enjoy the video, and just pause the video and make the proper note. Okay, so students, till then, take care, bye bye.